Show him. See what
Like,
Hey, he's kicking Alexis. He likes to kick people. Let him kick you. Put your chest right there, and he'll push you.
what are you doing?
What you doing? Oh yeah. The Anna. Anna. The Anna. Anna. The Anna. There he goes. Anna. The Anna. 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 Anna.
He almost got it.
Anna. Anna. He's intelligent. Anna. 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 Say Anna. The Anna. Yeah, what you say Anna. 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 You're so beautiful.
Mwah. Say Gloria. Gloria. Anna.
No, like you're calling her.
Anna. Say Anna.
He doesn't do it like when I scream.
Anna. Man.
That's it.
Oh, do the Alexis and Gloria show.
This is the Alexis and Gloria show. I'm Gloria.
I'm Alexis.
She's behind the camera. Yeah, so today our special guest is Angel.
So how do you like our show? Do you like it?
He loves it. Oh my gosh.
It sounded like you said I love it.
Okay, so yeah, you start recording the event right now, like at the beginning. Okay, wait.
Oh,
Wait, Alexis.
what's your favorite episode?
All
Yeah?
of
Oh no, you like all of them. He's crazy.
Yeah, I'm a baby translator. Oh my gosh.
He said his hand tastes good.
Yeah, he loves his hair.
Say bye, Angel.
You should wear that.
Gloria, say bye.
Wait, not bye. Yeah, so that was. Wait. You can't just do that. That was Angel. That was Angel. He's still screaming. He loves the show. He's all like, Alexis, Gloria.
Show.
Yeah.
Say it. Alexis.
Alexis. Alexis.
Hey, Gloria.
Show.
Yeah. She hit you. She hit me too.
Alexis. Alexis.
He said, Alexis. Gloria,
Because you know you're always with him.
Mhm.
I think that's why he said your name. Wait. No, Naughty. We're gonna put on the other video where he said Alexis' name. It doesn't sound like it, but yeah, he's all like, yeah. That to me sounds like Alexis.
Even my mom got mad.
Yeah. And everyone said that she can't hang out with him now. And I was like, wow.
I'm never gonna die out. Clap. Who's that? Clap in his face. He laughed. Here. Oh, he did a bubble. He's sitting in the same chair.
Look at
Don't get mad at me. What the heck's your problem? Do it again. One. Your hair looks black. It looks cool. I think you should dye your hair black.
My mom let me. She said, if I ever accidentally you ever what?
You almost slapped me.
If you ever what?
Axe to dye my hair.
Axe to dye?
Axe to dye my hair. Look at his
Oh.
hair's gonna be brown.
Brown? What?
His hair's gonna be brown blonde.
Like yours? You're such a... No, it looks black.
Oh, in the camera.
No, it looks black right now.
Oh yeah? I'm gonna buy you a vest. You want a vest?
He said yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah, you said that. I heard you. No. What is she doing to you? He's grabbing they go in his mouth. No,
Wait, no,
Angel.
he's recording.
Angel's recording.
Oh no, he's biting me.
We're gonna let go of the camera. Angel's gonna hold it. Here, Angel. Here. Ow! Ow! Let go. No.
No, don't bite.
Record you.
His name's not Eagle Eye. His name's Eagle Eye.
Say bye, Angel.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
You say bye first then.
Bye.
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 Come here. Thanks for going on our show, Angel.